Good morning, everybody. It is currently 8:06 in the morning. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Today I'm going to be speed cleaning a lot. My mom's going to get here. She has a doctor's appointment at 11, and then she's going to head here. It's about a 2.5 hour ride, so she'll probably, well, it's technically 2 hours, but she drives a little bit on the slower side. So she'll probably be here maybe around 2 to 3 o'clock today. So, which is fine. Charlotte will pretty much be taking a nap during both of those times. So I plan on getting a lot of cleaning done. I'm gonna, I gotta wipe down that TV screen. It's so much full of fingerprints, but I know you're supposed to use like a special cleaner. But the living room was not that bad, you guys. Like, just not that bad. Ben knocked over the Legos, so there's like a little bit of the Legos all over the place. But I'm just gonna clean, pick up today. I'm doing a load of laundry right now. I'm gonna clear off the kitchen table. That is my goal for the day. Right now I'm gonna work on my cup. Like, I really want to work on my jeweled cup. I started working on it a little bit more last night, but the thing with those cups, you gotta like let them not be touched after you glue them. You gotta like let them. I'm a person who, I don't comment a lot on a lot of things. I read people's comments. I read like crazy. That's how I learn from people's mistakes and all that stuff. But I know you're supposed to let it sit for a week and then you can clean it. So I gotta figure out what to do all for that. But I am super loving it. I can't wait to show you guys in the sun. There's supposed to be a nasty storm coming. We are not going to get hit as bad as my mom's house is, so hopefully she doesn't have to drive in it. But we will see what happens. I think she'll probably might be at the tail end of it. But I gotta call her to make sure she takes all of her breakables down. I don't think it's going to be a nasty one. I just think it's going to be a really heavy rain, which is fine because we need it. So yeah, and then when she gets here, I don't know what we're going to do. I know I have to start preparing for the garage sale, so I'll probably do that while the kids or Charlotte's napping. I'll have Benjamin help me. We're gonna start putting stuff in the garage. But yeah, I mean, it's only Tuesday and I haven't set up for my garage sale at all, so it's like got that to look forward to. But I'm gonna finish my cup because I really want to do that. I'll show you guys that when it's done. But get some kids for the breakfast, and I'll catch you guys back in a bit when I'm a little bit more successful. Guys, so it is currently 12:15. I have been cleaning up like a storm. I just do really well, and I find it relaxing when I'm like in a hurry to clean. I don't know why, but it's like days like this. It's like my mom should come down every week, literally. I feel like I got a red spot on my cheek. I don't know how I got that. But right now I am currently vacuuming the stairs. I'm taking the vacuum and I'm vacuuming up every single individual stair, getting all the crap off the stairs, which there's hardly anything, which is nice. I am putting all the laundry away, which majority of it's all hung up on hangers and everything's folded. I just need to put it all back. Charlotte was taking a nap, so I couldn't put a lot of her stuff in there. So that's what I'm working on. Also, I have a load of laundry going on right now. I'm gonna get myself some caffeine so I can take my medicine, which I always lose my pills. I take them every single day, and I usually open them up on my countertop, and now they're missing. So that is awesome. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish the laundry, finish vacuuming. I cleaned the toilets. I gotta clean the toilet down here. I gotta clean the window or the mirrors all in the bathrooms. But I'm just doing pretty good. It's, like I said, it's 12:15. My mom hasn't called me yet to tell me she's on her way, but she might be on her way. It's starting to get really windy outside. I gotta take the umbrella down from our back deck, and then Graham wants me to bring 10 totes from the basement to the garage, and I'm gonna see if I can borrow my neighbor's dolly, just because I don't want to carry those all up and down. So I might message her and see if I can get it. But if you guys can kind of see, it is like, I don't know if you guys can see, it's getting to be super windy out, so I don't know what's going on. But I did finish my cup, you guys. Like, I finished it. This is awesome. One thing I do like about this, it's like, it's not perfect, but you know, you can't tell. and this is my very first cup, and I really want to make a ton of these. So if you guys are interested in me making these for you, let me know. They are kind of pricey, but it's so nice. I got a couple different ones that I'm gonna make also, but I just loved it. This took a lot of time, not as long as some, but I think my next cup I'm gonna actually do one with some other jewels. I got some other jewels, and then I'm gonna put my name in them. So we have to see how, I'm gonna see how that goes. I'm just gonna order some more supplies, but I absolutely love this. You gotta let it dry for like a couple days, and then I gotta clean it. So I'm trying to figure out what to do to clean it, but I'll wait till, you know, wait for a couple days. But I absolutely loved it. Loved it. This is awesome therapy for me. So got that finished, and I forgot what I was just gonna say. Ben's watching FGTV. But yeah, so I got that cup finished. Oh, what I was gonna say is that cup's double walled. So basically, if you guys put ice in there, that ice will stay in there for a very long time. It's not supposed to melt. But I got different cups that I'm going to do. Like I got this one that I'm gonna bling eventually too. This one's just like a regular sipper, so this would be perfect for like hot chocolate. So I'm gonna get more jewels. I just want to finish the other one first before I order jewels. And if anybody wants me to make them something, please let me know. Because if you guys do, I can order jewels. I can order jewels when I order jewels, so then I don't have to pay for like shipping and handling twice. But this is like some like iridescent stuff. It's a whole lot prettier in the sunlight, but there's currently no sun right now, so it kind of sucks. But I want to do some green ones, I want to do purple ones, I want to do a red one. I kind of want to make one for my mom. I think I'm going to do one for my mom. Her favorite color is red, so I think I might make her something like this eventually. But I got time to do that. I'm just gonna see what she thinks or what she likes, and then ask her what she wants, and then I'll make another purchase. It is starting to become super nasty. I don't know if I need. Ben, I'm gonna go in the backyard and get your emoji ball because I have a feeling that's gonna blow away. So I'll go get that. But otherwise, you guys know what? I'm ready to get more cleaning done. The house is just a little bit messy, but you know, that's just the way I live. I live a happy life and not worrying about constantly, you know, the mess. But it is actually walkable. I mean, if you guys watched when I started doing my vlogs, it was so bad. Now it's like just little things here and there. So mostly it's just Legos, and magnet tiles. But I'm gonna go in the backyard, and I'll catch you guys back in a little bit when I get more stuff. Hey, you guys. Done. So it is currently like 8 o'clock, I think, just a little over 8 o'clock. It's been raining. They said it was supposed to be like really bad. I don't know. I think it's gonna miss us. I have no idea. It's not focusing on me. But yeah, it's like super hot in my house, and then it's cold, and then it's super hot, and it's cold. Graham's like, you need to bring up 5 totes, you know, to the garage. And I asked the neighbor if I could borrow the dolly, but I don't want to bring the stuff outside and when it's really wet and rainy. Plus the grass is wet, so I'll slip. So I carried 5 or 6 totes upstairs. I'm like out of breath right now. And then I got to carry them in the garage and put them right here. But Graham's taking off of work on Thursday to help me set everything up. So, which is a good thing, because then I can get more and more stuff out. So I plan on selling like crazy. I should see if my neighbors have any extra tables, possibly. Graham won't let me get another table, which I think we should, because I'm sick of, you know, I think I'm just gonna buy one sometime. But other than that, I showed my mom my cup. She really liked it. She wants me to make her one. She wants teal instead of red because she loves red. So I'm gonna get teal, and then I gotta figure out what other colors I want to do because I want to make a bunch of them. But I gotta make an order for jewels. But I'm still doing cups. Like a couple of you guys are still asking me to make cups. This week I'm kind of just going slow on making stuff right now because my mom's here, and I'm here to focus on getting rid of things, and cleaning is my main focus. So if you guys do want cups, you can message me, or if you want anything made, you can message me, and I'll make stuff, but it probably won't be till next week or something. It just depends on, you know, how long it takes me to do it. But I'm making a garage sale sign for my garage sale, so I'm gonna work on that too. But I just hope the weather's nice. Hope the weather's nice, but a lot of people are excited that I'm having a garage sale, but I just need to start fresh, you guys. Like, that's what I do. I donate a bunch of stuff. I sell some of my stockpile stuff. I give it away. I mean, I'm giving away a lot of it to my family members right now, and I give away stuff too. But this is how I am, because I shop way more than most people do, because I do deals, as many deals as I can, just to share with you guys. So that's one reason why. But and I just haven't been couponing that much lately, which I want to. I want to go back to Walmart, but it's just nice kind of taking the couponing break. But that's pretty much it. So I'm going to carry the rest of the stuff into the garage. I look like crap. I feel like I got beat up all night, but I have dark circles around my eyes. But it's finally stopped raining, which is nice, but I don't know what else we're in for later tonight. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but I think my mom and I are gonna go to the grocery store tomorrow. I think we might just go before, with not the kids, because I don't know if the kids can come to the grocery store. We're gonna get a couple things to make while she's here, and then we gotta go to the fabric store to get something for her, a blanket we're gonna sew Miss Charlotte. But I just want to, you know, stay home and get a lot of stuff done. She's going to help me get all the kids' clothes organized and get ready to put those for sale. I'm not selling them at the garage sale, because I actually make more money selling them online on Facebook than I would at the garage sale, because people will just rummage through everything and it's kind of a pain in the butt. So that's what I'm going to do. But I will catch you guys all tomorrow. Tomorrow's vlog, I don't know how much I'm going to vlog, but we'll see how it goes. But I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. You guys have a nice day, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.